Storm Team meteorologist Carson Metcalf with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
Coming up on 5:13 on this early Friday morning, take another look at the radar picture right now. Kind of a soggy start for a lot of Central New York, including in and around the Syracuse area, with a few rain showers rolling on through right now from near Syracuse down toward Auburn, Moravia, back out toward Geneva, Penn Yan. A little bit of rain shower activity as well. Some scattered showers also to our north, even a little bit of thunder and lightning around the Tug Hill this morning. A little bit of heavier rain, some thunder and lightning over toward Lowville at this hour too. We'll expand out the view and you'll see these showers. A couple thunderstorms early this morning have developed out ahead of a warm front that slides on through as we continue through today, bringing in some much warmer temperatures, but a cold front expected to follow here, briefly cooling us way down tonight, but also leading to yet another round of a couple of showers and thunderstorms first later on this afternoon. Given all the rain we've seen this week, a few flood alerts continue. As promised, to go through those here quickly for you. Flood warning continues until further notice over toward Cayuga Lake. Also flood warning up toward the Black River, parts of Jefferson and Lewis counties. That in effect until tomorrow morning. Also flood advisory continues until 2 o'clock this afternoon along the Salmon River up in Oswego County. Back to today's conditions. Temperature wise, let's talk about these readings in the 40s to around 50 degrees here across the stations of the New York State Mesonet right now. So relatively mild start today. High temperatures, how about this, climbing into the upper 60s for some, low to maybe mid 70s elsewhere, including here in Syracuse, going for a high of 76 degrees. That would make it the warmest day of 2026 so far. Again, courtesy of that gusty at times southwest wind rolling on in today. Could see some gusts occasionally, 25, 30 plus miles per hour. Watch what happens to the wind though. It dies down after that cold front slides on through later this evening, but the wind direction also swings around from the southwest into the northwest. That's going to usher in some cooler conditions as we head through tonight. Temperatures managed to recover back into the 60s tomorrow, but only into the 50s, and that's an early high, by the way, as we take you through Easter Sunday. Highs only in the mid 40s by Monday. Temperature roller coaster ride continues. Mostly cloudy skies continue as well, as do those chances for a few passing showers. A little embedded thunder and lightning this morning. It does look like a bit of a lull in precipitation takes shape here toward lunchtime. We get a little bit of sunshine out, along with that southwest wind helping to boost those temperatures up by noon into the low to mid 60s here in Syracuse. A few extra clouds, couple additional scattered showers and thunderstorms developing as that cold front starts to slide through central New York later on this afternoon. Luckily, the threat for any severe weather looking rather low for today. We clear things out once again, at least in terms of precipitation this evening and tonight. Partly to mostly cloudy skies expected. Temperatures by tomorrow morning in the upper 30s to low and mid 40s. Another lull in precipitation tomorrow morning gives way to a few afternoon showers, couple of thunderstorms, and then an additional round of showers and storms possible as we head through tomorrow night. Luckily, the severe weather threat looking rather low. A couple of storms, though, west of Syracuse, particularly the farther west you travel away from Syracuse out toward Buffalo, Rochester area. Could get a little nasty. A soggy start to the day on your Easter Sunday. Temperatures in the 50s to begin the day, but as we turn drier, we turn cooler, ending up in the 40s toward the end of the day. 30s at night Sunday night. Back in the mid 40s with some rain and snow showers on Monday.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.